this particular coin, which is called BIM, okay, of altcoin. Okay, most of the 99% of time people do neglect this altcoin, thinking that there is no money in it. But I tell you, actually this is where money are being made on daily basis. Okay, so what happened is that just like this particular beam, if you take a look at this particular beam, you will think that there is no money in it. Maybe because we are in bull run, you will think that the coin have actually done well, so there is no need for you to do what, to buy it. Okay, but I'm here to tell you that you are actually lying. Okay, you are actually lying. What your thought is negative, because there is actually a lot of money to make here without you knowing. Okay, so what do? Now you move out from this particular 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, even 1 day time frame. Okay, now when you what you need to do is for you to do what? Come over to this particular place. Come over to this particular place where you are seeing here, okay, where you are seeing more. Then when you click this more, you can be able to see 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 2 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, 1 week, 1 month. What you need to do is to go to 1 hour 1 month time frame. So from one month time frame is actually where you will now get to know if the market have gone high or low. Okay, and this is actually an altcoin. So if you come over to 1 month time frame now, you can now see, you can even count how many months this particular coin have actually been in the market. So if you count all this particular stuff here, all this candlestick, this is, each of them is standing for 1 month, each of them. Now you can now see that this particular coin have not actually done any high. There is no high here. This coin have not gone anywhere. The high that this coin have gone in the last some few months is actually where it have gone back already. Okay, from this particular place now, you can see I just draw a line. This is a line that I just drew here. You will find out that this line that I just draw right away is actually where this particular coin started. Have you seen what I'm sharing with you here? So from here, this is the first place where when this coin was launched in Bybit or maybe other exchange. Okay, you will find out this is, if you keep it in a straight line, this is where that particular, the first day it was launched, this is the first place where it got hit. So, and if you take a look at this particular place, you will see that this particular place where I just drew now, this is it, and this is actually 0.003. okay, 203. And where is the market? The market is actually at 207. So there is just a 1s off from the beginning. So what do you do now? What you do is that, because over here, this place where you are seeing this line, let me show you here. This place where you are seeing a mark here, this is overbought. This is Bollinger Band. This small something you are seeing here is Bollinger Band, and that first Bollinger Band is oversold. And this particular green here, let me draw it so you can see what I'm saying. This Bollinger Band here, that line that is straight, this is the middle one, and this is the last one. This two green one or blue one is overbought and oversold. So actually this particular coin now is at overbought here. Is so at overbought. That is the entry where this coin started, and this is oversold. That means there was a time some few months ago where this particular coin came to this particular place. Okay, this thing I'm teaching here, some people pay money to gain this knowledge that I'm teaching you here, but I'm showing you all these things for free. See over here, this place is where, here now you can see this particular place is where you can enter the market and exit from this particular place. And some time ago, you can see this particular coin from this particular place at the first beginning of the trade. It started from here and went to here. So how many S? Let's calculate it. This is 0.003 and it came to this place, which was 0.4 cent. So let's calculate it and see the next target we ought to take. Okay, I have already made a VIP group where I can actually know when you need to enter the market and exit it, and all to teach you how to buy and sell, and when to enter the market and when to exit, which it costs only but 20 USDT for you to do what? To join us. So join the VIP group. It will give you a lot of edge. Okay, it will make a lot of money for you on daily basis. Okay, so now let's go to my calculator. So from here, this is 0.03 and you bought with, let's say, $50 times how many will give us $50? Let's see this. Let's see 1. Let's see 2. Okay, so with $60 you can buy 20 pieces of this coin at that particular point. Now it now went to 0.4. okay, so how much is this? See, $800. okay, $800 from you started with $60 and you made. This is actually because from this particular coin, this place, if I'm giving any of my VIP, if I'm sending a signal to my VIP group and you are buying from this particular place with a sum of let's say $100, now I will be targeting this particular place. Once this particular place get in view, okay, which is here, this particular place, okay, this particular place, what do I need to do? I will exit the market. Okay, so from here, how much have I made? If I enter from 0.07 to this particular place, okay, to this particular place, this is 0.03. okay, you will find out that I have made with my $100. Let me show you something over here so you can understand what I'm actually talking about. So if I have entered the trade with 0.007 times $100, okay, times $100, so this is it. So times $100, okay, so with 14,500 pieces of this coin, I will buy this with $100. Now when it come back to this particular place, this particular 0.03, how much did I make? I made 4S, which is 400. This is how to leverage. So some people will now be asking, how long can it take me to make this particular money? Now this is where my VIP group comes in view, okay, because we give in our VIP group, we ought to make a proper research to know when to do what, when to enter the market, and when the market is about to do what, is about to pump, so we doesn't stay long in any particular coin. Because from this particular place you are seeing now, from this particular place you are seeing over here, from here, this market can still continue to go down and go below this particular place before it now start going up. But for you that want to hold for a long time, you don't need to panic. You can actually dive into the market, look for a coin that is at this particular level, not this particular coin, because I'm using this particular coin for a teaching. So you can find a one that is below this particular, that have deep below this particular place, and what do? You buy that particular coin, and after buying that particular coin, you should be able to wait for some months or for some weeks before you now sell. You might have your own target. Maybe immediately you come to this half level here, you sell. That is 2S or 3S. Okay, but in my VIP group, we have made it possible to know exactly when to enter the market, to exit the market. Okay, we know exactly when the market, people are becoming so noisy in a market, when all these things we have already know it. Okay, we know exact strategy when to enter and when to exit. That is the reason why you need to pay the sacrifice by joining the VIP group with just 20 USD and see yourself on top, we actually know when to enter the market and when to do what, to exit the market. So this is what you need to the price you need to pay for your future and secure your future.